Hi, I'm Spargo and welcome to week 19 of Bits and Pieces. This week is quite a simple little block, just like a little rail fence, using 4 different colors in each block. So you will be cutting all your strips 1 3/4 by 3 inches, and then you'll be sewing them together in sets of 2. Like this, and then you will sew this section together, and then the whole lot together. So it's sort of fun. I then did a little bit of big stitch using number 3 EZM 20, so it's a turquoise color, and I used my little 1/2 inch ruler, and I just marked a 1/2 inch from the seam allowance here, and I just did big stitch in different ways. So straight across this one, just within the little logs, and here a little bit like a pinwheel. So this is an easy block. Hopefully you're keeping up with the blocks. I love seeing what you're all doing in the Facebook group, and keep sharing.